item 2005 is the update one. It has a very nice shot. This is the panel side. It has a zipper. You can put your pen in it. It's very convenient. And here is the back side looks like. This has two solid strap, so you can put your bus gun in it. It has a webbing and put the luggage. This one you can put your cell phone. Two zippers. This is another one. Let's open it to see what's inside the box. This is the bag looks like. Here has a big compartment for your laptop, the strong webbing, and this one can put your notebook. So here, this one you can put your bottles. So here we has here has another pocket, and this is for your pen. So this is a USB power bank. It's not included. So you simply charge with the inside USB charging line and connect it here. So we have a USB charging port here. So connect it with your USB charging line. And with the cell phone, ta-da, you can see now it's connected. So this is the first feature. So I have a second. The second one is the earphone. We'll show you how to use it. So we connect it with this one. It's for your earring. And then you put it here. You need to turn on your music, okay? And then here we has the earphone charging port here. So we connect it, charge was here. And then you can simply walk in the street and then listen to music. How is that? It's very, very great design.